Here's the best way I have found to cast off the circular knitting machine. You can use this for tube mode or panel mode, and the way I cast off, which I'll show you in just a moment, helps me prevent drop stitches as well as the fabric coming off the machine prematurely and unraveling. So I hope this video helps you. Now we're ready to cast off. So my machine is facing me again, and I have my scissors and this darning needle, or it's called a large eye plastic needle. I'm going to take the tail end of my project yarn, and I want it at least the length of my machine. You can also do the circumference of your machine, but the length is at least what you need. If you don't have enough yarn, you can always tie some scrap yarn or raced yarn to the end of the tail that you do have to lengthen it, because since our fabric is on the machine, it pulls it tight, so we need enough yarn to be able to cast it off. I put the tail end of the yarn on my needle, remove the yarn from the yarn holder, and I stop my yarn at the 47th needle because the white needle is my 48th, and that's where I'm going to start picking up my stitches to cast off, because I always end at the 47th needle and the beginning of the next row would be at my 48th needle. So the stitch is locked into the place with the tail end of my yarn at the 47th needle. Now I'm going to crank forward just slightly so my white needle drops below these two pegs. And there's this little loop of yarn around these two tiny pegs. That's the loop we're going to pick up. So we take the needle in between those two pegs and put that loop of yarn onto your needle and onto the tail end of your yarn. And now it's secured in place, and that yarn and that stitch cannot drop. Now we're going to go to our next needle. When we crank it forward, the needle will drop down, and then I pick up the stitch with my needle. Now I don't want to pull too hard because I don't want to accidentally pull off any of the other stitches, because it could come off the needle and drop as well. That's also why I like to pick up the stitches on the right side of my machine before I crank it around again. Some will crank it one time around and pick it up on the left side. And then these are all live stitches, and if they come off these pegs, you'll get a drop stitch and have to fix those as well. So I find that it saves me time in the end, picking them up one by one on the right side of my machine. And it just helps me secure my stitches a little bit easier without them hopefully dropping too much. So we're going to continue to pick up each stitch onto our needle and the tail end of our yarn. As we go around, this tail end of the yarn is going to get shorter and shorter, so you might have to kind of cinch up your project a little bit to give you enough yarn. So that is why sometimes people will do the whole circumference of their machine for picking up their stitches and casting off. But if you only have the length of your machine, or if it's even shorter, if you kind of ran out of yarn, you can always try to cinch it up a little bit as you start to cast off and crank around. And again, you can always add a little bit of scrap yarn to the end of your cast off, because once we cinch down our beanie hat, we're going to have a lot of yarn left over. We just need most of this yarn just for the cast off, because the fabric is stretched around the machine. So I'm going to speed these up, but once you get used to casting off, you'll kind of get into a little bit of a rhythm of casting off. I like to use my left hand to take the stitches off with the needle, and then use my right hand to crank forward. Now the fabric has been completely removed from the machine, and all those live stitches are secured so they will not unravel. Now I continue making my project. This one was a double layer beanie hat. I have the link to the full tutorial from start to finish on how to make a double layer beanie hat on your Sentro knitting machine linked in the description below. Thank you so much for the comments and questions, and happy crafting, everybody.